Coki corn is ready. Look at that. It looks so yummy and delicious. Guys, come with me. Let's make this delicious cookie. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Vicky. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are all doing great. If you are new here, you're welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you this delicious cookie corn recipe that I made. Stay tuned and watch the video to the end. It's one of Cameroon's delicacy. This meal needs just two ingredients. You need your fresh corn and palm oil, half or one small onions, and maybe one or two seasoning cubes. It doesn't take a lot. It's one of the meals you can give your family on a budget. So stay tuned and watch the video to the end. So guys, this is my fresh corn in a bowl. This is the quantity of corn that I'm going to be using for this recipe. So I peeled the corn and put it in a colander. I rinsed it and allowed the extra water to drain out. After that, I had to peel the corn. So I had just bought fresh pepper from African store. So this is the corn after I have peeled the corn. After peeling the corn, guys, just go ahead, place the corn in the blender and make sure to blend it into a coarse mixture. The mixture doesn't have to be very smooth because it is cocky corn. You want to get a little bit of the chaff in the corn. So after doing that, I went ahead with my egg whisk to whisk the corn again so that I get a little bit of air bubbles in it. After that, cocky corn doesn't need doesn't need spices, sorry. So the only thing you put pepper, some people put onions. I don't like adding onions into the cocky corn. So this is my corn stick. I went ahead to place it in the pot wherein I'm going to be cooking the cocky corn. So we don't have leaves here, so I don't want the foil paper sticking into the pot. So that's why I had to put cocky corn. Even back there in Africa, our mothers always put those corn stick after so that those it doesn't stick into the pot. So after that, add a bit of some oil. So I added a cup of oil. When you start mixing, sorry, it looks like the oil is too much, but guys, just go ahead and mix till everything incorporates nicely. So this is me whisking. I had to do this for a couple of minutes, say 2 to 3 minutes. So you have to keep on mixing. You cannot leave the oil hanging like that. So you have to make sure you mix everything nicely so you get a good. I did this at night, so the lighting isn't doing too much justice to my cocky corn. The palm oil is really good. So after mixing, this is what it looks like the oil has completely mixed with the corn paste. So this is what it looks like. It doesn't have to be runny, because if it's runny, you know what that means. Okay, so after mixing, this is the final result of what it looks like. I'm just going to go ahead, use my foil paper to tie my cocky corn into it. Since I don't have plantain leaves in Cameroon, we usually use plantain leaves in tying cocky corn. So after tying the cocky corn, this is what it looks like. I tied everything, placed it in a pot and cook for 1 hour 20 minutes while checking from time to time. And this is what the end result looks like. Look at that. So yummy, so moist in the mouth. It tastes so delicious. You will want to try this recipe, guys. So thank you for watching. Bye and see you in our next video. So guys, if you've watched up to this extent, thank you so much for watching. Bye and see you in our next video. Bye.